Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. As you'll see, I'm just jumping straight into it again on a 4-speed part of the video. I'm just showing you that I'm covering the edges, painting the edges to make sure that I don't have any canvas showing through in the final result. This is a painting that I did, and a second painting that I did in Tara's class at the Fluid Art Experience in Texas in July. Again, it's a pearl painting with a DutchPour on top of it. It was a lot of fun. I highly recommend that you try this out. Really, yeah, it was just a lot of fun. Not a lot of colors that you use in these. Of course, you can do that, but I decided to not go too crazy. So right now I've just covered the base, put the base coat on. And then I'm doing 2 puddles here, again with the Prussian blue and I think turquoise. I'm pretty sure it must be. And I know that right now I'm actually considering putting in some pink, but I opted not to. I wanted to just have a little fun pink hint in the painting, but I decided that I would leave that for the Dutch pour part of the painting. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just adding the second color now, which again I think is turquoise. Let's see. Yes, it is. Oh no, sorry, that's a light blue. Yeah, see, that's where I decided no, I don't want to put the pink in there. Almost did it, but didn't quite do it. And again, up to 4 times speed. Again, like with the previous painting, that I hope that you did see, I'm just spreading the puddles thin so that you get the base coat with the satin enamel to actually burst through the puddle paint and create those pearls. I feel that I'm repeating myself. I didn't get as many pearls that I had hoped for, as opposed to the paintings that I did in Sarah Taylor's classes, where I had way too many pearls. But as you can see, they are starting to develop, and I decided to just go ahead, because I didn't see that many pearls really developing, to just do a Dutch pour on a major part of the painting. Normally you would decide where to put the Dutch pour based on where you have the pearls that you do not want to mess with, or if you have some pearls that you don't really care for, then you can place the Dutch pour there. As you see, as I said, I decided to do a little pink in this painting, not much, and in the final result it really doesn't show much. There's just a hint, which I actually love. I didn't want it to take over. I didn't want it to be screaming pink on that painting. This one, I guess, is a what do you call that? Lilac. Let's call it lilac. I'm not quite sure actually what color it is. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also, leave a comment for me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask questions. And last but not least, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Back to the painting. I think now that I'm looking at it, I actually did add a few more colors. This is the light blue. I put that blue-green, I guess it is, on there. I think I will also put in a creamy color. Or what? Yep. Or maybe it's just white. I can't really. Yeah, it's just white. And gold. That's right. Yeah, I put gold in as well. I did not have gold in the first one, but this one I did. And then it's the blow dryer again. Like I said in my previous video, I have not worked a lot with DutchPours. I know that I have a lot of paint on here, but it actually worked out. But you can do with a lot less. You don't really need that much. Depending on how much you want it to spread out, actually. And I guess with the pearl base, you can of course add more if you wanted to be more dominant, the DutchPour than the PearlPour. So it's all up to you what you decide to do, actually. But yeah, here I'm just blowing it out. Sadly, I really like the end result. I do also like the way that it ended up looking dried, but it was not, unfortunately, it was placed in a cardboard box, and for some reason it was not level, even though it was sitting on the floor. But yeah, something was not right. So the day after, when I came to pick it up, it had shifted and a lot of it had actually run off. So what you're seeing here is not the end result. The end result is still cool. I like it. It's not my favorite piece, but it's an okay piece. But yeah, it was a shame that it shifted as much as it did. That was not my initial plan, of course. You can see that there's some selling happening in the DutchPour, which I like, love it. And right now I'm again doing these man-made pearls, which is you use the base coat with the satin enamel in it, and you just add little drops in the paint where you want the pearls to appear. And once you leave it alone, they will actually start to look more like the pearls that you normally get in a PearlPour. So really interesting and a lot of fun to play with. Now you will have a little hi from Tara.
Yeah, they're insane. Hi.
Are you in there?
Yep.
Okay.
I am now.
Now.
Hi.
Hey Tara.
Oh, Jan.
I will try to shut up.
Beautiful. Don't let it.
And I'm back. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you come back for my next one. You have a wonderful day. Bye.